What if I told you that small businesses across the United States are using AI right now to save hours every week, cut operating costs, and grow faster without extra staff? From local coffee shops to online stores, American business owners are quietly using AI tools to work smarter, not harder. In this video, I'll show you the best AI tools for small businesses in the USA, how they're used in real life, and how you can start using them today even if you're not tech-savvy. Welcome to MoneyTechUSA, the channel where we break down AI tools, money strategies, and smart technology for everyday Americans. If you're a small business owner, freelancer, or running a side hustle in the United States, this channel is built for you. No complicated tech talk, no hype, just simple tools that actually help you save time and make better business decisions. Running a small business in the US is not easy. You're dealing with rising costs, limited staff, and constant pressure to do more with less. One moment you're answering customer emails, the next you're posting on social media, managing finances, or trying to create marketing content. Hiring employees is expensive, outsourcing takes time and money, and most small business owners end up doing everything themselves. This is where AI tools make a real difference, not by replacing people, but by acting like an extra set of hands that works 24/7. Let's start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like a smart virtual assistant that helps with everyday business tasks. Small businesses in the USA use it to write emails, respond to customer questions, create social media captions, and even plan marketing ideas. For example, imagine a freelance consultant in Texas. Instead of spending an hour writing a proposal, they use ChatGPT to create a draft in minutes, then personalize it. That means faster responses and more chances to win clients. ChatGPT doesn't replace your voice, it saves your time. Next is Canva. Canva is an AI-powered design tool used by millions of small businesses across the United States. It helps you create professional designs without hiring a designer. A real estate agent in Florida might use Canva to create Instagram posts, open house flyers, and email graphics, all in one place. With AI features, Canva even suggests layouts, colors, and text styles. This helps small businesses look professional and stay consistent without spending thousands on design services. Accounting is one of the biggest headaches for American small business owners. QuickBooks now uses AI to automatically track expenses, categorize transactions, and generate financial reports. For example, a small online business owner in California can connect their bank account and instantly see where money is going. This makes budgeting easier and tax season far less stressful. If you're new to AI, don't try to use everything at once. Start with one tool that solves your biggest problem. Writing? Try ChatGPT. Design? Use Canva. Finances? Start with QuickBooks. If this video helped you, subscribe to MoneyTechUSA for more content on AI tools, money, credit, and smart business strategies for Americans. You'll find helpful links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.